The new Alfa Romeo era has officially begun because the electric and hybrid Alfa Romeo Jr. models have finally begun production. What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise. Welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to another video where the Alfa Romeo Jr. is revolutionizing the compact SUV segment. And now the electric car segment has just expanded with the arrival of a major new player, the Alfa Romeo Jr. That is, we are talking about a rather compact SUV, which is characterized in particular by its bold and attractive styling while maintaining the brand's sportiness. Now, the target segment offers consumers several sporty versions of the car, but the Junior stands out from the others by a styling that reflects the aesthetic standards of the moment. Now, it enters the market as a great novelty thanks to its technical features, and it should position itself within a market that is by no means easy to tackle, that of electric SUVs. Therefore, production of this new vehicle has officially begun in Poland. So the Alfa Romeo Jr. will be seen on the road soon around the world as it's produced in Poland, and voicing their opinions is the plant director himself. The director said that the start of the production of the new Alfa Romeo Jr. represents the highest point of success for the project the plant has been working on for years. Now, while this announcement continues to spark debates and the issue of made in Italy, there's no denying that Stellantis' commitment is modernizing production lines and creating a sustainable business model for the future of mobility. Now, the plant in Poland has been chosen as a production hub for low and zero emissions vehicles in line with Stellantis' strategic plan. In fact, the goal of the Poles is to permanently modernize the production lines, creating a sustainable business model to be used for the future of mobility. This is precisely why the plant has become the most official low and even zero emissions vehicle manufacturer of Stellantis, participating very actively in the group's strategic plan, namely the Stellantis Dare Forward 2030. And through this business plan, the automotive group is working hard to position itself at the top of the industry to effectively combat that much talked about climate change. Now, it will be interesting to see if Stellantis decides to dial back these plans, as a lot of automakers has been pushing back on electrification plans as the low demand, especially here in the United States, has come on the rise. However, the task of the Polish Stellantis, well, it remains very clear. It's to ensure the industry's highest standards in terms of production quality to give the Alfa Romeo brand a chance to become a very reliable model, also characterized by unique driving experiences. That is the goal, making this reliable so you can get rid of that whole reliability stigma that Alfa Romeo has carried for years. Start fresh, new design language, better quality, better reliability, and hopefully the same driving experiences. Now, as for what powertrains we will see available with the new Alfa Romeo Jr., there will be, as anticipated, the hybrid and also electric, which in turn will differ in two power levels. The first version, hybrid, will come with an internal combustion engine, which will in turn be supported by an electric motor, so to offer a perfect combination of efficiency and performance. Now, the electric version, on the other hand, will enter the market with 156 horsepower and 410 kilometers of range, perfect for urban and daily use. Now, the other version, on the other hand, will be the 280 horsepower Veloce, which is the sportiest version of the Junior. This will also be able to deliver up to 280 horsepower with true sports car performance, hopefully worthy of its name. The new Junior has also been designed with a vehicle weight significantly lower than all other SUVs in the segment and also perfectly distributed. Speaking in terms of traction, we know it will be likely the best in class. This is possible thanks to Alfa Romeo's use of special technical solutions such as the steering, which is also most direct in its segment at 14.6. It has been specifically calibrated to be effective in terms of operational precision, improving the car's driving characteristics. Now, in addition, the Junior will also be available on request with the Alfa Romeo DNA system. And the Alfa Romeo Jr. will also be equipped with great advanced communication technology. It will be very useful for both passenger comfort and the intuitive driving systems for the driver. In fact, there will also be several systems that support the person behind the wheel, such as the longitudinal and lateral control of the vehicle, second level autonomous driving, level 2 ADAS. Now, this will be combined with 360-degree parking sensors and 180-degree rear camera, which will allow complete monitoring of the environment surrounding the car. Now, this contributes in creating a brand new parking system that is semi-autonomous and very practical for those who use it. Now, Alfa Romeo has made its new car, the Junior, extremely smart and connected, and this means it will be possible to do many things while remaining comfortably seated in the seat or even remotely with your smartphone. smartphone. The Junior will have a smart system that can automatically find the nearest charging station if there is a need to fill up. In addition, the car's maps and functions will always update autonomously, just like modern cell phones do. It will be possible to perform My remote controls such as locking and unlocking doors, up to even starting the heating or air conditioning before getting on the road. Now, of course, there will also be functionality to receive real-time traffic information as well. Now, finally, there's onboard voice assistant called Hey Alpha combined with ChatGPT, to which it will be possible to ask questions, ask to make phone calls, or find the easiest routes. But with that said, the Alfa Romeo Junior, it's on its way. It's the new Alfa Romeo design language. It's starting a new era for Alfa Romeo, and I want to know, do you guys think it will be successful? Drop those comments down below. Now, if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Also, check the links in the description if you want to help further support the channel. I appreciate that extra love. Thank you so much. You guys can also subscribe, but click the notification bell so you don't miss one video. And with that said, we will see you guys in the next one. Peace.